Hello students, we're going to go through solving simultaneous equations with a quadratic. Before we get into the main skill, we need to go over some basic skills like multiplying out double brackets and factorising quadratics. So let's have a look at this first example. Pause the video, have a go, and unpause when you're ready. Okay, so this is x plus 3 all squared. So that means it's x plus 3 all multiplied by itself. So we're expanding these two brackets. Now, one thing to remember when you're expanding two brackets is that each of these terms will be multiplied by each of these terms. And one way to know that you've multiplied all your terms and you've done it properly is to use this word, FOIL. So F stands for first. So that's telling me to multiply my first letter or first term in each bracket. Positive x times positive x is x squared. O is outer, so we begin with the x, and this time we're going to multiply it with the other outer term. So we've got positive x times positive 3, so that's given us 3x. Now we've finished multiplying with x, we now move on to the 3, and the I stands for inner. So that's telling us to multiply this term by x, because those are the inner terms. Positive 3 times positive x is 3x. L, last. Okay, so this is the last thing we need to do, and it's also the last term that we multiply. Positive 3 times positive 3 is positive 9. FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. Okay, have a look at our expression. Our expression can be simplified. Pause your video now and have a go. Unpause when you're ready. Okay, so what you should notice is that these two middle terms are like terms. They have the same letter with the same power. Okay, and these are like terms. I've got 3 lots of x and another 3 lots of x. Well, this is just, when we sum it together, that's just 6 lots of x. I can simplify that because 3 lots of x add 3 lots of x. Well, that's the same as just doing 6 lots of the same number, or x. So we've got x squared plus 6x plus 9. Right, let's go over to example 2. So x squared plus 2x take away 15. I'd like you to factorise. So factorise this expression. Okay, pause your video, have a go, and unpause when you're ready. Okay, so remember, when we do these, we're looking for what multiplies to make negative 15, but what adds to make positive 2. So I look at my negative 15 and I go through some factors. So let's look at one as an example, negative 1 times 15. So these two times to make negative 15, but when I add them, I do not get positive 2. Right, so that's telling me I need to keep going. So let's try the next one. So negative 3 and 5. So yes, these times to make negative 15, these times to make negative 15, but when I add them, well, that's correct. Look, negative 3 add the 5, that's positive 2. So I know this expression here will factorise into x take away 3, x plus 5. Okay, you should be in a position to go back and have a go at the other questions on the worksheet.